In the quaint town of Harmonyville, two friends, Aisha and Fatima, shared a unique and unbreakable bond. Their friendship, deeply rooted in Islamic values, flourished amidst the diversity of their community. One day, Aisha shared her dream with Fatima, the dream of beautifying the local Islamic community center. Inspired by the teachings of unity and brotherhood, they decided to embark on a journey to enhance the spiritual hub of their town. The duo gathered a group of friends, each with their own set of skills. They set out to renovate the community center, painting its walls with vibrant colors, adding calligraphy that echoed verses from the Quran, and creating a serene garden in the courtyard. As they worked side by side, Aisha and Fatima exemplified the principles of cooperation and mutual support. Their friendship served as a source of inspiration for others, fostering a sense of community that went beyond the physical renovations. On the day of the center's reopening, Aisha and Fatima stood hand in hand, witnessing the joyous faces of their neighbors. The newly adorned walls echoed with prayers and laughter, and the garden became a space for reflection and tranquility.